Today we are going to be talking about our flat panel LED lights. Going to be discussing a couple pieces that really set us apart to ensure we are providing you with a quality product every single time. The main heavy hitter, number one, is every single one of our panels we use PMMA plastic for the piece. And let me explain a little bit what that is, why it's beneficial. So number one, on a panel light, when you've got your panel sitting there, one of the pieces is from your frame, from the frame piece here to the frame piece there. You actually have a light strip that is mounted here, and it's shining in this way, this direction. And then the same thing on this side. You've got a light strip that then shines in to the center of the light. What this does is this shines both light pieces this direction, not out away from the light, but the plastic is actually a lens style of plastic, and what the light does is it starts to bounce around in the plastic, and as it's bouncing around going towards the middle, naturally light starts to escape from the lens. And what you get, because these two pieces are shining towards the middle, bouncing around in this lens, a nice even looking flood of light coming out of your 2x4, 1x4, 2x2 square of the light. It's a very evenly matched light coming out of there. Where in relation or in comparison to a fluorescent, when you look at a 2x4 fluorescent, you can see the lines of the tubes. This just gives a very even light disbursement. So the PMMA, the benefit of that plastic in comparison to a PC, a polycarbonate, is it doesn't yellow. With the polycarbonate, some of your cheaper products, after a year or two, you will start to see yellowing around the edges, yellowing around the corners, yellowing around the edge, and potentially even yellowing right down through the center of your light. Looks very tacky and is just not a high quality product. And so that's why every single light we offer is a PMMA plastic. Number two, every single one of our panels is a DLC premium product. What that means is every one of them is 130 lumens per watt or above. We don't do the hundreds, we don't do the 120s, we only offer the 130 products, so you can have that cost saving for the DLC premium, not the DLC standard. Each one of our panels, we use a little bit thicker of aluminum, 380 gram weight aluminum, to ensure that, especially in transportation, our product does not shift. I mean, you can see the lights, they are thin, and so because of that, there is a potential for a twist to happen in the frame. And when that twist happens, when it goes up inside your ceiling or in your surface mount, it does not lay flat. This is just an added benefit for transportation, as well as obviously for hanging, a little bit thicker to ensure a little bit more robust product. The last couple pieces are pieces that are beneficial to our product. They are optional pieces though. Number one is motion sensors. We have built-in motion sensors that actually go into the power driver here on the back, and is 100% concealed piece, remote controlled, and will be a motion sensor for hallways, for rooms that are infrequently used. Those pieces are available with the product as well. And then you saw right here is we have an emergency driver that mounts to the back of the panel. It is not one of the pieces that mounts to the wall or onto the side of the panel piece. And so right here you'll see our driver, and then right here is the emergency driver portion. And then on the front hand side, you will see this green button right here. That is the test and the emergency output functions that you're normally used to. And then lastly is our standard 10-year warranty. We also offer our 10-year warranty for our panels as well. Trying to provide to you a over-the-top, high-quality product, ensuring that we give you something that you can trust, that you can depend on, and that will last the years you need it to. We would love to have a conversation with you about our products. Click right down here below and shoot us a message. Go to our website, and let's have a conversation about how we can supply your lighting needs.